Our sponsors at Selora Med Spa offer aesthetic services with a focus on their clients' health and safety. Here's my conversation with their founders about why this is important. Well, today we're visiting our sponsors here at Selora Med Spa in Williamsville. I'm here with Dr. Pale and Danielle to tell us more about what they have to do. So first of all, thank you so much for inviting us out. Tell our viewers what you have to offer here.
Yes, we have a lot of different services. We have a lot of skin rejuvenation, fine lines, wrinkles. We do tox, we do filler, we do microneedling. We also have a branch of IV hydration and weight loss that we also offer, and some body contouring.
Nice. And I know that's something that's very important to the integrity of Selora is making sure that you're putting health first before beauty. Tell our viewers more about that.
So we always begin with a general, exam. Consultation is required for every single client because every client is so different. We break down all of their medical history, medications, allergies, everything, make sure that the procedure that we're choosing for that client or having that conversation with is really the right thing for them. And safety, definitely is our number one thing here before anything further.
Absolutely. You're coming in for beauty services to look better. You don't want to look worse, right? And I know that you work with ethical providers as well, right?
Yep. So that's the main thing is when we are seeing patients, we're not only trying to do the procedure, but we want to make sure that we are approaching every single patient ethically to provide them the care and the dignity and the privacy at the same time. So that's where actually the experience from more than 10 years that come in handy, where a person has amazing medical background knowledge in these procedures, and as well as able to talk to them from the patient-physician point of view and provide them all the information about the procedure before they jump in and get any kind of procedure, that not knowing the side effect or the benefits.
That's right. I'm glad you mentioned that because you're a relatively new med spa, but you guys all have extensive backgrounds in your work, right?
I have been practicing medicine for the last 15 years, and I think med spa was one of those things that I always wanted to try it out. And I have been working with the clients for the med spa and weight loss and IV hydration. But finally, 6 months ago, Dan and I, we put our thoughts and efforts together, like, let's do it. And now here we are.
That's right. And it is the holiday season. We're gearing up for Christmas, and you guys have something very special as far as promotions, right?
We sure do. We have a 12 days of Christmas, and we're breaking down basically each day we have a special promotion, whether it be the skincare promotion or a microneedling promotion where we're doing a lot of like 20% off deals and packages and single treatments as well.
And heading into the new year, that's when weight loss is top of mind, right? You guys have something for that as well, right?
Yes, and we really want to make sure that our weight loss program is one of those tailored for each patient or person individually rather than one for all. And then we're trying to make sure that financially this has been catered toward the patient as well, because at the end of the day, we have seen people were paying $500 to $700 for the weight loss, and we want to make sure that they are getting healthy, they are doing better, and at the same time, they're not going broke.
Well, we're talking about beauty services, and for a lot of people, it can feel like that's out of their budget, but I know that's something that is important for you is to make sure that you can really meet people where they're at, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, we try to break it down as best as we can. We do offer, financial assistant programs, something called Cherry, that they can do in more of a payment program monthly to help break that down. And also, of course, it's just conversation, really good detailed conversation in their budget. We do try our best to work around what is going to work for them.
And why is that so important for you, doctor?
Because number one is a patient care. And we want to make sure when a person walks in our door, they should be treated as we want to be treated. So if we can make it easier, less painful, and cheaper, that's our goal.
Okay, alrighty, I'm up for all of that. And viewers, if that sounds like it's right up your alley, if you're looking to live a healthier lifestyle and feel beautiful from the inside out, you can visit our sponsors here at Selora Med Spa in Williamsville. For more information on their services and to book an appointment, you can visit our sponsor's website at seloramedspa.com.